Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra today going to continue with the standard 7 revision of chapter 5 working with layers। इस चैप्टर से जो क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे उसका पैटर्न एमसीक्यू बेस में ही होगा। जैसे बुक के इनर पोर्शन का जो क्वेश्चंस होगा वो इस प्रकार कि .SWF इज एन एनिमेशन आउटपुट फाइल that is developed while testing or publishing an animated movie. इसके बाद है to reduce the speed of an animation, click on the frame rate field in the property panel and define the number less than 24. Mask and masked layers. There are the layer properties always come in pair, which are layer for the mask and layer for the object that is the masked. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स के भी जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे उनको एमसीक्यू पैटर्न में ही पूछा जाएगा कि लेयर आर द मल्टीपल ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट्स दैट कैन hold object and stacked on top of each other. The active layer in the timeline is indicated with a keyframe navigation control icon. When we take an object out of library, the object is referred to as an instance of symbol. To display the grid of the stage, select the view grid, show grid. The mask is an object that acts as a hole through which we see the content of a layer or layers beneath it. In Animate, only one layer can be activated at a time is true. You can convert an object to a symbol by using the F8 key, true. The speed of animation can be adjusted in the work area is true. Masking hides the other part and show only those part of an image that appears underneath the object which we are playing. The masking effect is true. An animation cannot be repeated more than once is false. Which tools allow you to see a faint ghost image of the previous frame is onion scheme. Which option used to repeat the animation is control loop and playback. Which key combination can be grouped the object in the animate is control plus G. Which key will you press to insert a keyframe is F6. तो ये आपका चैप्टर 5 का क्वेश्चंस हुआ। ओके, इसको रिवाइज करेंगे। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।